Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your keyboard layout and OS because that determines which keys produce that sign. Once done, try the obvious combos: Shift+2 on US layouts, Shift+ on UK, and Option+2 on Mac. Make sure to open the on-screen keyboard or language settings to visualize keys. If you use a laptop with a compact or international layout, locate Alt-GR or the Option key now so you can test the next steps without guessing. Now try alternate entry methods for stubborn layouts. Press the right Alt-GR with the appropriate key, often 2 or Q, because many international keyboards map it there. On Windows with a numeric keypad, hold Alt and type 64 to insert at. Make sure numlock is on. On Mac, use option combinations or open the character viewer and search for its sign. Once you master these, switching between apps and languages becomes predictable and fast, avoiding guesswork. To finish, resolve problems by switching your input source to the correct layout and rebooting if needed. This often fixes persistent mismaps. If typing it still fails, use the on-screen keyboard or copy-paste the character while you adjust settings. Make sure numlock is enabled for alt codes, and install or update the keyboard driver or language pack. If things go wrong, check physical key labels and try an external keyboard. Hardware faults can mimic layout errors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.